Hi, hello. Today I have a really exciting video. I am going to be doing 4 different looks using the Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection. Today I'm going to be doing one look, and then the next video I'm going to be doing another look with the other palette, and then so on. So I'm going to be doing 4 different looks, testing the shades out, and I'm going to be doing swatches on my arm as well. Hopefully you'll get a good idea of what these palettes are like. I'm excited to try them. I've opened the package, but I haven't swatched any of them yet because I wanted to save it for this video. I love that it comes with this little pulley thing, so you can just grab this and pull the palettes out. This was £49, which I thought was a really good deal for 40 shadows basically. If you're going to buy the palettes individually, they are £15 each, which I feel like if you have the money, of course, I would buy the bulk bundle. So let's get into it. So there's 4 eyeshadow palettes with 10 shades in each palette. So let's talk about the palettes. So they are quite small and lightweight, so they're great for travel. So they look like this. On each design they're the same, but they have like different coloured confetti. So this one is the Dark Magic palette, which is the green one, so it has green confetti. So yeah, they're the 4 palettes here. So this intro is going to be in every video because I explain the palettes. So inside you have, and it comes with a mirror, which is great for Morphe. Of course, they don't really tend to put a mirror in their palettes, so again, great for the value of what it is. So other than that, that's pretty much it. You'll see swatches and explanation about the palette in each video, so I will put them in the eye up here. I'll put each video up there, and I'll also list them down in the description box so it's easy for you, and also I'll make a playlist so it's again easy for you to see them. So keep on watching if you want to see what I create using the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Okay, so today I'm going to be testing out the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. I've already tested out the Dark Magic palette, so I will put it in the eye up here, and as well as the other palettes I'll link up there. I'll link the playlists and stuff, but this one is the Armed and Gorgeous, which is the yellow palette. It just looks like this. So gorgeous. This will be great for autumn time because it has the green, the yellowy, orangey shades, so it will match with the trees and the change of colours. Like I said in the intro, it has a mirror, which is shocking for Morphe. I don't know if Morphe's had other palettes with mirrors, but I haven't bought one with a mirror before. I'll put swatches on the screen now of the palette. So it has obviously 10 shades. It has VIP, Access, Guilt Trip, Coin, Agent, Top Secret, Smooth Criminal, Secure, Prowl, Classified. So that's the 10 shades there. Obviously you'll see in the swatches how pigmented they are. I believe Top Secret is the green that everyone's saying that is quite patchy. Obviously you'll see in the swatches if it does come out a little bit patchy or not, but some people might just have a bad batch. I've also noticed that on the palette it does say AB06I with a V2 on the bottom. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that by there and here. Jaclyn did say that it has nothing to do with the old palette, it's just for the lab's sake, so I'm going to take her word for that because only one of my palettes has that, and it's this one, and this is the one I'm most excited for, I think. I love playing with colour. If you are subscribed to my channel, which I think you should, click that subscribe button now. You'll know that I am into colourful looks and like dramatic, vibrant looks. So if you like that, then go check my other videos out. So yeah, hopefully I will create a different creative look with this today. So I'm going to stop yapping and get on with it. Okay, so I've quickly gone and done my eyebrows. So now I'm going to conceal my eyelids using the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage concealer in the shade C0.5. It's a very light pink shade. Okay, so now I'm going to jump into the Armed and Gorgeous palette. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Access, which is this lovely orangey yellow shade. And I'm going to take this on a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just going to pat this in my crease. It actually goes on the eyes darker than in the palette. I haven't set my eyelids as well. That blended really nicely and the pigmentation is definitely there. Okay, so then I'm going to take Secure, which is a darker orange shade. As you can see, we just took this one and now we're taking this one. Taking a much smaller brush and I'm putting this into the crease, much lower down. This shade gives off a lot of kickback in the palette, so I'm going to go back in with Access and just make sure we don't lose that shade, and this will help blend them together as well. I'm going to do one eye and then go off camera and do the other eye. We're going to take Smooth Criminal, which is like a kind of mid-tone brown, and we're going to blend this out on the outer corner. So far we haven't had any fallout, which is great. Okay, so that looks okay. It did take a lot longer to blend out. I think it's a little bit patchy. Next I'm going to go in with VIP, which is the very white highlighted shade in the palette. And I'm going to put this on my brow bone. I love the shade. I've seen loads of people comment about this shade. I love how white it is. I'm also going to put that in the inner corner. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the crease. Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. And of course I'm going to use the Real Techniques Detailer brush. And I'm going to create a half cut crease. Okay, so I've done that. Now I'm going to take the shade Coin, which is this very gold shade. I'm going to take this on my finger, I think. That is very gold. Just going to take a little brush, the Morphe E36, and go over that line. Okay, so there was a little bit of fallout with that gold shade. I'm going to go back in with Smooth Criminal and go over them two shades. And I'm also going to go in with Secure, the orange shade, and just blend that together as well. Okay, so that is that eye. Okay, so then for the lower lash line, we're going to go with something different. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Top Secret, which is this green shade, because I want to use as many of the colours as I can. Quite a lot of kickback, and I'm going to go right under there. Okay, so it's quite a dark green. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow done. So I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, put on eyelashes, mascara and stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the eyes all done. These eyelashes are playing me as per usual. Okay, so the only thing I have to say is the shade Smooth Criminal, I believe. Yeah, Smooth Criminal, which is the deeper brown in the corner. It did take some work to blend, but other than that it was fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. I will zoom out. So yeah, that is my review on the Armed and Gorgeous palette. Obviously I haven't tried all the shades out yet, but I will play around and make some looks with the other shades. I like that I did the green under the eye. It is a dark green. The only shade that gave me fallout was the coin shade, which is the gold on my lids, but that is it. So overall I love this palette. I'm excited to create different looks, more interesting looks as well with this, and I'm definitely going to be using it in autumn time, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see more of the Vault collection, then I'll list every video I do up there. If it's not up there yet, that means it's coming soon. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to turn on my notification bell by the subscribe button to know when I upload, especially because I'm doing a series. If you want to see what else I got on my face, I will link everything down below. And again, make sure your bell is turned on for my channel, because I am doing a review video on this foundation. I'm going to be doing a 12-day straight of foundations, so stay tuned for that. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.